Hello, in this short video we are going to personalize the default SharePoint site that is created when you set up a Microsoft Teams. There's going to be 7 topics. Let's dive straight in. First of all is the benefits of personalizing the default site. This default site setting is automatically set by Microsoft, and as you can see it's quite plain and simple, and this is where we're going to change. Reasons will vary to why to change the default site, and in this example it's because a wide range of information is available and it's spread across various areas. So there's various challenges here. There's 5 challenges we're going to tackle. Being unclear of key dates and when the next meeting is. And the solution to that is that we'll set up a key dates calendar, that it takes time to get answers to questions. We'll set up an FAQ page. Important news is missed. We'll set up a news feed. The correct template can't be found, so we're going to store templates in one place, and then a range of information, and we're going to do a useful links. The second lesson is being prepared. So we're going to talk about a quick start checklist. So before diving straight into the actual design, it's crucial to gather a set of foundation assets. These 5 items: your business objectives and success metrics, so defining the purpose and problem statements. Your business branding guidelines, check with your communications department on any logos, fonts, color codes, palettes, tone of voice, any approved stock images and visual assets, any team photos, icons, licensed stock images. The sitemap, this will determine the site navigation and structure and the content flow. And finally, the user roles and permissions. It's important to have more than one editor, and then you have your viewers, your contributors and your external users. Once they're gathered, you can begin the wireframe. So here's the wireframe, very simple. Homepage, which is the landing page, and then find out about, FAQs, meetings and useful templates. The third lesson is setting this up. So we're going to click on edit, top right, which puts into editing mode, and as you can see each of the web parts has a border around them. We're just going to click on the trash can to delete the items we don't need. I'm going to add a new section and choose vertical sidebar. I'm going to click web part and click on hero. I'm going to select tiles. Once we finish there, we'll click republish. So now we're going to set up the pages. So click on new page, blank. The first page is find out about, and if you click publish, it's a blank page. However, it's important to add an image, so we're going to go back to click on edit, click on the image icon, go to stock images, and we will choose an image that represents that page. We're going to choose blackboard. Choose the icon that you think suits, click OK and republish. Click on home, click on new, click on page again, on blank and create page. Now we're going to add the frequently asked questions page. This time we will add the image at the same time as creating the page, and you'll see the reasons later why it's important to add an image. So click on image, stock images, set something for questions. Obviously, if you have agreed stock images at your organization, use these. Click publish. That's our second page. Click on home, then click on new and page, blank, and create page. And this is our meeting page. Click on image, click on stock images, and type meetings. Find the image you want, and click insert. Click publish. And we'll go back to home, click new, and we're going to choose the document library for the templates. I'm going to create a blank library, call it templates. We don't want it to show in the site navigation. We'll add a short description of what kind of templates. And then we'll click create. We're going to save the URL of the templates page. Now we're going to go on to lesson 4, editing hero web part. We've already had the hero web part, so I'm going to add a link and paste the link that you've copied from templates. Click on images, custom image, and stock images, and we'll choose a library to represent the templates. We're going to add a tile, and now click on recent, and we're going to add the pages that we created. So find out about, frequently asked questions, add another tile, and the last page of meetings. As you can see, the pictures that you use when coding the pages automatically get pulled across. You can change the order of these pages. So if you want to have a focus topic, you would drag it up, so you click on the buttons to the left and you move the tile to the top, and that's your leftmost image. Might want to change some of the text if it's not clear. Okay. Now we're going lesson 5. We're going to add events. We're going to change the name to key dates or anything that's relevant, like governance dates. We're going to move the web part to the top, so it's at the top on the right hand side so people see the key dates. Add an event, so we're just going to add a standard senior managers meeting. The date will always be the same as your current date. We'll choose when, the start time, the finish time. You can add a where location or Teams or Zoom address, and a category which you can edit. We're going to choose an icon to represent. I suggest for every type of meeting you choose a different image, so it's easy to see the differences between them. Okay, now we're moving on to lesson 6, which is removing the sidebar navigation. Click on site settings, view all settings, navigation elements, and untick enable quick launch and click OK. Moving on to lesson 7, editing quick links. We've added the quick link web part, and we're going to choose some templates that we've uploaded. So the changelog, I'm going to click the settings to change the name to what we prefer. We're going to add a link, and again from the site templates, the links can be anything from a URL to a document to another page. This example, I'm just using templates that we've uploaded. Click on select. There's different views such as compact, film strip, grid, button, list, and tiles. And then click on the edit options and select the appropriate library. Choose an icon that represents the link. So as it was KPIs, we're just going to select a graph. And we're doing this because instead of just a picture of an Excel logo, we're personalising it so the differences between the quick links are easy to tell. And for the final one, changes, and we'll do a document with arrows. That's the end. So we can click on republish, and that's your new site.